So this is Leroy. Good morning, Leroy.
Good morning. How's everybody doing?
Welcome back.
Good to be back. Ready to go to work.
Yeah, look at some goodies that they brought us over the holidays.
Oh, I thought I was the only one who got one of these.
I guess everybody got some.
And wine, look at that. Even to drink with.
Look at that. Man.
Nice.
Looks like we got a lot of work to do. These are still full. Mercedes text at 5 a.m. this morning. She's not going to make it. Her flight was delayed. So, are you listening?
You talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you.
I thought you were doing the camera.
No, this year's going to be different. You're going to get included a lot more. People want to hear from you. They want to meet you, Leroy.
They do.
Yeah, you probably never heard that before.
How do you turn this thing off? I plugged it in.
This is why you've never met them before, because of stuff like
I
this.
still haven't figured out how to turn on the Keurig here.
All right, Leroy, lift.
Lift?
We're going to teach Leroy how to use a Keurig.
Yeah, I'm not used to this fancy stuff.
You know they've been out for years and years.
Really?
All right, so take the pot out.
Take the pot out, which is...
That thing right there.
Okay.
No, my goodness. Did you just take the entire thing out?
You said...
Oh, yeah. This is the only thing that you take out.
Okay.
Throw it away.
Well, I just put it in.
Oh, you just put that one in?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that you knew how to do that part. All right, do that. All right, line up the hole. Hang on, it's got a hole. Watch, it's got a hole in the bottom. See that?
Oh, okay.
So, since you already gotta find it, there it is.
Okay.
Turn it on. See that?
Yeah.
That's the on button.
It's a push button.
Yeah, they're called screens.
Yeah.
Touch screens, Leroy.
Fancy.
Welcome to 2019. We're supposed to have flying cars by now, but they're running a little behind. All right.
Preheating.
It's preheating. When it's done, you select the size, the cup size, and then you push this button right here.
Sounds good. Sounds pretty easy.
It is. You know why? Because it is. This is what I got to deal with every day. What? What's going on?
I'm not seeing a new one for 2019. This pod wasn't designed for the this brewer.
Watch. Hold the camera. I'm going to show you. Okay. For some reason, these are not Keurig pods, but we found out that the only difference whenever it does that, it's this paper on top. If you have to iron it out. There it is. I don't know why, but the minute you iron that out, boom, rock and roll. So if you're having issues with aftermarket pots, just iron out the aluminum foil on top and boom, it works.